2023 had the first ever viewer model railroad of the year from the Virtual Model Railroad Show. And this year is starting off real strong. Hey everybody, my name is Jimmy. Welcome to Coffee and Trains. Today I'm drinking some Kauai coffee right here. If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and have it listed just like these guys right here, you can put that in the comments below. And who knows, you might see your comment on an episode of Coffee and Trains. Also, this is a viewer model railroad show where I show off pictures that viewers have sent in of their model railroads in all stages. So check out at the end if you want to send that in to the email in the description below, and I'll tell you what to send. Cheers, guys. Let's start off with this railroad from Hayden Mock. Hayden has this lovely little layout under construction. It's an in-scale layout on a door, and you know how much I love door layouts. My layout is 2 in-scale door layouts, and you can see he's made some progress here. Has that extruded foam top, which is so popular, and is what I have on mine. So nice little project going on here, and he sent me a video in as well so that you can see everything running. He's got this nice little tank engine, the steam engine that's going on around there, and then he's also got that classic Santa Fe war bonnet passenger train as well, running around just with some mixed mass passenger cars, but that's perfectly all right. So great job, Hayden. I really love this. Keep up the good work. I can't wait to see more photos. Next up, it's Tim Davis. Tim has this lovely little in-scale layout, Kato Unitrack, nice little town scene, a couple of different industries. Looks great. Here's a wider shot of it. You can see he has that really nice switch control panel right there, and that looks really good, and I like that. He's also added something else from the last time he showed us something. He's added a staging yard. Check that out over there. That is really cool and really nice. Great job, Tim. I really like where you're going with this layout. Here's another railroad from David Davis. David showing off his railroad. Check out this expansive town scene. It's a really nice large town scene, has a lot of different things in it, and I really love seeing this. Here it is from a different angle. Lots of different stuff in here. Looks really good. We're going to show you some of the details here, including the water tower for Harper Valley. That's a nice looking little water tower. We also have this little thing, which is a Taco John's, which is a regional fast food place to check out. And then here's just another shot of this town. Just looks really great. Love this, David. Looks awesome. Check out this model railroad from Ronald Simco. Ronald's layout is a beautiful little in-scale layout that I think pretty much anyone could build size-wise, and this is a great little layout. It has a runaround siding and a nice little industry yard, bunch of little details. I love all the trucks and everything, as well as the houses and all of the trees and the scenery. I love seeing stuff like this. This is a great little building right here, nice and detailed. Love seeing that kind of stuff, especially in scale. And then we also just have the other side of the layout. You can see the nice crossing there. By the way, this looks like it appears to be Bachman Easy Track, so looking good there. I also love these mountains back here. If you can see those, they're nice and well carved. They might be pre-made and then detailed to fit in, but they look really good. And plus, look, hey, there's Bigfoot. So really nice layout, Ronald. Thank you for sharing. Look at this model railroad from Eric Ryba. Eric Ryba's Vermilion sub is quite a layout, and we're going to spend some time looking at this thing because it is a beautiful layout. Of course, it's Norfolk Southern, so I'm going to love it. But just check out all of these details. I love seeing not just the detail on the bridge and the weathering on the locomotives, but just all sorts of details. Like, look at the little bird that is flying above that tree that's held right there. Those kind of details are really cool Easter eggs to put into a model railroad for the average viewer of the railroad. You also have this really great scene right here with all this industrial activity going on, as well as a Domino's, which is kind of cool to see some modern buildings on layouts. A lot of times you don't see that. You also got a rural farm airport right here with the tracks going right beside it. I love also just the signals. They look really great right there. This just looks awesome, and I can't get over it. I love some of these shots. I love the big power lines. I love the water tower. I also love seeing his collection right there. We all want to be able to display our collections like that. This just looks phenomenal, Eric. It is just absolutely amazing. I love some of the detail. Look at the static grass and all the other facilities right here, along with just every little detail that you see. And you'll have another example of the really great static grass right here with the little farm crossing. And this just looks phenomenal, Eric, and I love it. Thank you so much for sending that in. That is a pretty strong start to 2024. And remember, if you want to submit your model railroad for the Viewer Model Railroad Show, go ahead and send that to the email in the description below. Make sure you have a picture of either your entire railroad or a large section of it if it's a large model railroad. Now, just for anything like track plans and things like that, I'm not typically going to show that, but if you're just in the benchwork phase or if you're in the middle of construction, you can send that as well. You know that I will show those. So again, just send those pictures and video if you want to the email in the description below, and who knows, you might see it this year. The slots are filling up fast though. So thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.